The wait is finally over. For 4 years, the photography world has been holding its breath, wondering if Fujifilm would ever revisit its most controversial, most beloved, and most misunderstood camera line. Some said the Rangefinder was dead. They said the X-T5 and the X106 were enough to satisfy the masses. But they were wrong. Today, the legend returns. This is the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, and it is a love letter to everyone who believes that photography should be felt, not just captured. But don't let the vintage aesthetic fool you. Underneath that titanium skin lies a digital monster that shares more DNA with a high-end cinema camera than a film-era rangefinder. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are tired of clinical, boring, soulless digital images, you need to pay very close attention. Because Fujifilm just changed the rules of the game again, and there's a specific, hidden design choice in this camera that is already polarizing the entire industry. Let's talk about the soul of this machine, the pure photography philosophy. When you pick up the X-Pro 4, the first thing you notice isn't what's there, it's what's missing. Fujifilm has doubled down on the hidden LCD screen concept, but with a 2026 twist. The rear submonitor is now a high-resolution e-ink display that shows your film simulation and settings even when the camera is powered off. It looks like a piece of paper taped to the back of a Leica. But when you flip it down, you're greeted with a 3-inch, 2.36 million vari-angle touchscreen that is flush with the body. It's the perfect compromise. It stays out of your way when you're in the zone, but it's there when you need to nail a difficult angle. This camera doesn't want you to menu dive, it wants you to look through the viewfinder and see the world. And speaking of the viewfinder, the hybrid OVF/EVF system has been completely redesigned. This is the Advanced Hybrid Viewfinder Gen 5. The optical window now features a wider field of view, making it easier for street photographers to see subjects entering the frame before they hit the sensor. But the real magic happens when you flick the lever to the EVF. You are looking at a 5.76 million OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a brightness level that rivals the best flagship mirrorless cameras on the market. It is crisp, it is lag-free, and for the first time, it features a film grain overlay mode, allowing you to see exactly how your chosen film simulation will look in the final shot, grain and all, in real time. Now, let's get into the heart of the beast, the sensor. The X-Pro 4 is powered by the 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, paired with the new X Processor 5. This is the same high-resolution powerhouse found in the X-T5, but Fuji has tuned the signal processing specifically for color depth. We are seeing a base ISO of 125, providing incredibly clean files even in bright daylight. But the headline story for Fuji fans is always the film simulations. The X-Pro 4 introduces 2 brand new simulations that have been kept under wraps until today, Reala Ace, now standard, and the highly anticipated Heritage Chrome. This new simulation mimics the high-contrast, deep shadow look of 1970s street photography. It's moody, it's gritty, and it's arguably the most beautiful SoC, straight out of camera, look Fujifilm has ever produced. But here is where the X-Pro 4 starts to defy expectations. Historically, the X-Pro series was never meant for video. It was a stills-only purist's tool. But for 2026, Fujifilm realized that the modern creator needs both.